See if you can guess my impression.
Natalie, I do a tremendous...
Trump.
Oh, she got it already. That's incredible. That's got to be the fastest guess I've had probably since breakfast. That's amazing.
That's good.
And Natalie, I tell you, I have no shortage.
That's really good. That is really good.
No shortage of material. If I run out of material, which wouldn't happen because I've got a very large brain, I totally get it. And you know what? And I know a lot of big words, huge words. Some of the biggest words I've ever said.
You're actually really good at it. Wow.
Any questions for the Donald? I got 13 minutes with you ladies. We need to do something.
Where do you get your spray tan, Donald?
What do you think of the tariffs of
No, where do you get your spray tan?
Spray tan, you know what? I tell you, I don't tell a lot of people this, but I'll tell you guys. Normally what I do, I have a bag of Cheetos, and when I'm done, I don't have to really do much of anything. I just rub it all the way.
Wait, can you do Joe Biden?
Oh, Sleepy Joe. I gave Sleepy Joe all my Adderall. He still falls off his bike. It's incredible. Sleepy Joe.
Sleepy Joe, our guy. He's not like...
What's the other question? Tariffs. Oh, yes. Tariffs. We're going to put tariffs, especially on Canada. I can't go to Canada. I'm a convicted felon now.
Yeah.
I can't go up to Canada. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put tariffs. Do you see the way, are you okay? Do you see the way Justin Trudeau checks out Melania? I don't think so.
Oh my god.
Definitely have to build, it's going to be a tremendous wall. It's going to be bigger than the wall of China. It's going to be huge. And
What do you think
And
of
the Gulf of
What
America?
do you think of the Gulf of America?
And I'm going to get Justin to pay for it. The Gulf of America. I could tell. I could totally tell. Most people do. It's incredible.
That is so funny that you can do it so well.
That's really good.
I get that a lot. Not from Melania. Melania never says it, but I get it a lot. Oh, this guy's losing his muffler. See, it's too big for him. It's too big.
Oh my god.
He's got a problem.
No.
He's got issues.
He's gotta get that fixed.
I need a big exhaust issue. Is Natalie always this happy? That's incredible.
Always. Always.
The girl in the back, she's really quiet.
Yeah.
What's your name?
That's Abby. I'm Abby.
Abby. Abby normal? Or Abby straight? Oh, never mind. It's not important. You must have more questions. You know what? I have to send back a whole case. Are you texting me?
Yep.
I
I'm
have to
telling
send-
everyone that Trump is in our car right now.
All right, you need to take a video and throw it up.
Yep.
Don't not throw up, but just you know what I mean.
You got it.
All right, you let me know when you're ready. You got it?
Oh, you want another one? Let's go.
Let's do another one. You know what? I'm very, very upset. I have to send a whole case of this stuff back. My buddy Vlad said, Donald, where you're going, you're going to need some of this. I bought a whole case from China of soap on a rope. Like, when am I going to need that now? Is that too much? It's too far.
Super rope.
Soap on a rope.
Oh my god.
This way I don't have to bend over in the shower when I'm in prison. Now,
Yeah.
never mind. It's
Yeah.
a long story.
Oh my god. Can you do Kamala impression?
Oh, don't get me started with Cameltoe.
Oh my god.
Have I gone too far with Cameltoe?
That's a good name. Oh, why didn't somebody else come up with that sooner?
Because they're not smart like I am. When you're the smartest person around, you know, it's hard for other people to compete. It really is.
What
I need
about
your
Elon?
autograph.
You can have my autograph. It's just
What
a bunch
about-
of squiggles.
What about
like-
Elon?
Elon? Don't get me started with Elon either. I mean, you put an F in front of his name, what do you have?
Felon.
Felon.
Oh.
Good try, though. I like your answer. It was really good. Felon, it's like a cat. He's like a felon. He's not a... And you know what?
said it so confidently.
Felon. You know what? He's more of a muskrat. That's what he is.
Oh my god.
You are so funny. Natalie, where'd you get her?
He found me on the side of the road with Felon.
Felon. You know what? He's looking to have more kids. Maybe you can hook up with him.
My I'm gonna have cramps in my stomach from laughing.
It happens a lot. Some people have cramps when they're done. Some people have sore tummies.
Who? Felon is crazy. Oh my god, my stomach hurts.
You know the people. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that.
My god.
Oh my god, not only
You're lying.
My hands are totally bigger than that. They really are. I had the biggest hands. There's no problem.
My god.
Incredible. Fall over. There we go. He's a wibble wobble. Oh, there goes a bus. That used to be called the Bang Bus, I think. Yeah, they painted it over. Oh, is that too far? We're gonna stop. We're stopping. Totally stopping. Just checking the brakes.
It's okay, Donald.
Stop short. There we go. Oh, let's see. Sometimes I have conversations with Mr. Putin and Mr. Trump.
Oh,
Usually not go too well for Trump. I totally outbully him all the time. I told Mr. Trump if he doesn't get rid of democracy, I'm going to release his pee-pee tapes. Mr. Golden Shower Boy will be done. Oh, he fell over. And you know what? He better not release those tapes or I'll be pissed. Look, I love a golden shower like the rest of them.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
I don't know how you keep them straight. There's so many.
we can't.
You know, we would party up with Epstein a lot.
I was just gonna say, what about Epstein?
And that's why he's a felon.
He's a felon.
Yeah,
That's a new word.
Okay,
I don't watch porn, so there you go.
There we go.
That's all we needed.
My stomach actually hurts so bad. Truly.
Hopefully we went to the right place.
We're off to the races.
So Donald got us safely.
Yeah.
I'm an excellent driver. One of the best drivers you'll ever see. Usually I'm in my helicopter. We usually go a lot faster. It's very rare I get 10s in the car, so this is awesome. Oh, you guys were entertaining, believe me. Nothing like a good felon. You know what? What do you put in a toaster?
Toast.
Oh, you put bread in a toaster, see?
Yeah.
It's very difficult, so now you know.
Exactly.
I'm glad I do not have to throw anyone under the bus. I was hoping, well, it didn't happen, so we're good. I was wondering who I'd have to throw in my family under the bus first. It didn't happen. First probably would have been Eric. I don't think he's mine. Ivanka, definitely she would be last because...
Wait, you don't like Ivanka?
No, he would never throw Ivanka under the bus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Totally love her. If she wasn't my daughter, I'd be dating her.
Yeah.
You know, I've said that many times. Many times. And let's see, Trump Jr., the Baron, yeah, he's going to be the next leader of the world.
Oh,
Yeah.
for sure. All because of you, Donald.
Finally, we're here.
Oh, look at all the people here to see me. It's incredible.
Where's our escort?
You know what? I don't tell a lot of people this, but I'll tell you ladies because you're pretty hot. The J in Donald J. Trump,
Yeah.
it stands for genius. You guys have an outro?
Oh.
Okay. What's our outro? Subscribe!
No. No. This is Alex, aka Donald Trump. You better like and subscribe.
And
Give him
comment
some
and
love.
share.
Because
Comment.
this is the president of our United States.
Yes.
And if he's from Canada or not, it's our 51st state.
We'll edit that.
Thank you, Donald J.
Bye.
Trump. And the J is for genius.
Yes.
And stay a felon.
You guys are funny.
Thank you.
Thank you,
welcome.
Alex, so much.
Have a great night.
Abby?
You're stepping on it.
I was not.
Alex dancing.